Good morning, everyone. For the 19th time, I'm going to show you my broccoli salad again. It is like the #1 viewed, I think it's the #1 viewed or requested, that's a 1/4 cup of organic cane sugar, requested video of mine. People, it's summertime, make your broccoli salad, and if you can get fresh broccoli like from a local farm stand, 1/4 cup of vinegar. This is the little version. You can double this recipe, make it as big as you want. And then you're gonna want a good 1/2 cup, just like I did for the coleslaw. Basically the same dressing. 1/2 cup of Hellmann's mayonnaise or mayonnaise of your choice. So that's gonna say 1/4. I'm gonna make the dressing ahead of time, and then I'm gonna dump all my ingredients right into this. And yes, it's the same dirty dishes and measuring spoon. That's why this doesn't look clean, because it was coleslaw and I rinsed it out. 1/2 cup. Mix this around. Usually you could use a whisk. You don't need to. I got a great big bowl here. Do you love broccoli salad? I do. I make it often. I chop my broccoli super small so that I'm able to eat it, digest it, and that is how I roll. Now, I'm gonna move some of my things away because my idea is to chop and drop, hopefully. So I don't normally measure. I don't normally, well, I guess normally I do now because I'm always on video. So we're gonna move my bowl here, and I'm gonna pull my broccoli heads. So all I do is buy 2 broccoli crowns for myself, and I make a smaller batch, which really, this is a big crown, so let me start with that one. I don't wanna put 2 on this cutting board because it's going to be big. You can see me. The big rada knife comes out, and I take off just the hardest part of this bottom, and that gets tossed. I don't know, Aldi's, I went yesterday, I did an Aldi haul. I just start dicing. It makes a mess. They have the best prices right now on produce. With the way the economy is, we're trying to all get, and then I just dice as small as you think you want yours. I suppose I could have put it in the bowl and used my other chopper. I've never done. Let's see. I've never done this chopper. I just think it's gonna go flying on this board. No, I don't like the chopper. I need my knife. I'm a tool girl. I know which tools I need for which things. That chopper works great for egg salad. It's a KitchenAid. I don't know what that's called. It comes with a little case, and it's sharp as can be, and it cuts up everything. I don't know where I got it. I don't know when I got it. I just know I use it. How am I ever going to be an influencer that does links? People ask me for the stuff I have, and I don't know. I don't know how to do any of that. People ask me if I'm making any money off of this. Absolutely not. Nothing. Zero. I don't know how to link what I buy. I don't know how to link this rada knife. I just tell you, go buy a rada knife. So if that's all I care about, is that what I'm doing, if it helps someone, that's what I'm here for. So tell me one thing, 2 things in my comments. Do you like broccoli salad? I'm moving these bigger pieces off for a second because I'm gonna start dumping. When I run out of room on the cutting board, I dump it. This is what's good about these portable cutting boards. Then I'll keep chopping. When you make your broccoli salad, I'm gonna take that leaf off of there. Do you like raisins in it? Do you like walnuts in it? I mean, I get comments about, oh, that's yuck, I don't like this, I don't like that. You guys, how many times can I say? I just give you an idea, and then you go ahead and make it what you like. I love fresh broccoli. My little grandson, River, loves it steamed, so this is gonna be enough for me. I'm gonna keep this other head and steam it, because when it's gonna be 85 or 80 or whatever it is this week, I will pick him up from preschool and get him to the lake. He loves it here, and he will have some broccoli. So I don't think I need 2 heads of broccoli in my broccoli salad. I wanna know what you put in yours. I put cranberries in mine once, delicious. First time I ever had it was the Rockwood Tavern. It was a bar and restaurant in Rockwood. And then I got the recipe from them. And delicious. I put cheddar cheese, red onions, broccoli obviously, the dressing. I might have made too much dressing. Let me just see when I stir it right now. If I did, then the other head of broccoli has to go in. No. That's a no. Now, I have a red onion. I have a red onion? I do. But what I'm going to do is give this board a wipe with my knife to get all the little pieces of broccoli. You guys have a great knife. This onion's huge. I'm going to use about a third of it into this recipe. I dice my onion. I dice some cheddar. And I'm going to use the bacon bits because I still have Hormel bacon bits I got from Sam's Club, a big jug of them. They're actually real bacon, and it works great for this rather than frying up bacon at $5 a pound. I don't want a $5 side dish for me, just for me. And tell me what you do. I want to know your recipes. I'm trying to be quiet, so you probably can tell I'm not as loud as usual because Dave is still sleeping. As always, I try to do these videos early in the morning. No water aerobics on Tuesdays and Thursdays for me. There is a class, but I'm trying to not use the gas of going Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm just trying to get the skin off of this onion too. I want to go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, not Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I will do a different exercise regimen today. Okay, so this piece of onion's going in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I cut it this way. Then when I start doing, I'll make it as thin as I can to dice it up. So you saw me cut it in half, facing the root ball. Look at all the dicing. You don't need to do anything once you've done this part. Put these dices in. Get these out of the way. I'm trying to cut for you. You can't see a thing because of all the junk I have in the way. And then, I mean, this is a great side dish that everyone enjoys. Have you ever brought it to a party? It's probably one of the first things that gets wiped out. Except for Dave Trombley. He doesn't. Nothing. I gotta stop saying that because I went to church the other day and everybody just started asking me questions about what does Dave eat? What does Dave eat? How did you ever do this? I'm like, okay, so I talk about it too much. I just was trying to talk about it to show people that you can eat healthy and you can still cook for your family with what they like too. Two separate things happens in my house more often than we both eat the same thing. It's just the fact of life. I married him 9 years ago almost, and way before we even met, I'm gonna do 1 handful. This is bacon bits, by the way. 2 handfuls of bacon bits. And then I have the really good Cracker Barrel yellow extra sharp cheddar. I grew up with this with macaroni and cheese. This is a 8-ounce block. I'm going to use half of it, and I'm going to dice it small and put that in there, and I'm going to call her done. I'm not putting raisins in. I'm not putting nuts in. My mom made all of our homemade baked macaroni and cheese. She was from Virginia originally, so down south they use yellow cheeses. Upstate New York uses white cheeses. I know. Land O'Lakes American was always yellow when I grew up. Here, my grandkids all love white. I like both. I don't care. I haven't met a cheese I don't like. Back to Dave Trombley. We married each other 9 years ago. We did meet online. Before I even met him in person, he told me his worst attribute was his eating. So none of this was a surprise. I was a waitress and a bartender, and I worked for the county for social services. So I thought, how picky can he be? I've waited on people that are picky. Definitely the most pickiest human I've ever met. But we make it work. So when I'm talking about it, I'm not complaining. I'm trying to show you that no matter what, you can make it work. If you have little children that don't eat broccoli salad, I mean, if this isn't for you, you just don't make it. But if there's, usually, let's put it this way, Dave and Weston would be the only ones in my immediate family that wouldn't eat this. Everyone else loves this. Even Courtney, and she's not a meat lover, but bacon, she has always been able to eat. It's done. That's broccoli salad, cheddar cheese, bacon bits, red onion, and the same dressing as the coleslaw. And I'm gonna put this in a serving or a smaller bowl, put it in the fridge. And side number two is done. Next I'm gonna cook some burgers.